Hello guys, this is really awesome. We have a new income stream inside the OLSP, and this is powerful. We keep learning about so many things, and tomorrow it is an occasion again for all members. And for the public, for all the people, whoever wants to learn how to use this awesome product, the income stream multiplier, and it is an occasion again to learn the ways to earn some income, and it's awesome. It's really awesome. So be there. It is tomorrow, Thursday, 28th, January 28th at 15 GMT. Don't miss out. Be there, and you won't be disappointed. Right? So, everyone, an awesome day again, and bye. See you inside.